nigga, this is dedication. This is anti-hesitation. This a real nigga celebration. It's a dime block declaration. 59th and 5th Ave, granny house with vanilla wafers. It's the remedy to separation. Tupac of my generation. Blue pill in the fucking matrix. Red rose in the great pavement. Young black nigga trapped in the cage. Know he a genius, he just can't claim it. Cause they left him no platforms to explain it. He frustrated, so he get faded. Deep down inside, he know you can't fade him. How long should I stay dedicated? How long till opportunity need preparation? I need some real nigga reparations. Oh, I run up in your bank just for recreation. Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. Dedication.
I spent my whole life thinking out the box. Boxing homies 3-on-1, got DP, but I ain't dropped. Chirp on me, here I come. Spin around the block, they broke on me. Said I ran a stop sign, but that's a lie. I spent my whole life staring at the stage, playing Sega, daddy smoking Sherm, mama playing spades, catching vapors. Grandma said I get some Jordans for my grades. That's my baby. When she died, my heart broke 100 ways. I spent my whole life trying to make it, trying to chase it. The cycle of a black man divided, trying to break it. You take a lost shit, don't cry about it. Just erase it. Mine is setback for major comeback. That's my favorite. My nigga L said you do a zone with nip. Can't I hear a better grip? I said I hear meditation. Hear the words out his lips about flourishing from the streets to black businesses. Level 4 y'all living, giving to first and prison. It's bigger than deuces and foes, my nigga. Since elementary we close, my nigga. You're straight like that. I give you the game, go back to the turf and give it right back. For generations we've been dealt bad hands with bad plans. Prove your dedication by hopping out Grand Ams. I'm at the premiere, politicking with Top Nip and Snoop. Damn, clock watching the way we groove from dedication.
Upper body's turning, lower body's crossing. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, here, it's gonna be a natural. Trust me, natural body, we're gonna go here.
Niggas on the slave ship, these songs just the spirituals. I swam against them waves.
Slap grip.
Ended up on shore today,
Slap
amazement.
grip.
Now I hope the example I set's not contagious. Lock us behind gates, but can't tame us. Used to be stay safe, now stay dangerous. Cause ain't no point in playing defense, nigga. That's why I dove off the deep end, nigga, without a life jacket. Couple mil, tour the world, all my life cracking. Cook the books, bring it back so it's no taxes. Royalties, publishing, plus our own masters. I'd be damned if I slave for some white crackers. I was mapping this out, I hit the heights backwards. Hopping out the 85 and Reebok glasses. Ran a couple marathons just to get established. To make it happen, you got to have dedication. Hard work, plus patience. Some more of my sacrifice. I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. Dedication.
Good.